Hello, this is Professor Muskan and welcome to my YouTube channel, Anshari Academy. In our today's session of lenses, we are going to discuss the numericals related to this chapter. So let's see what is our first question, please. A doctor has prescribed a lens having power of positive 1.5 diopter. Then what will be the focal length of the lens? This is what we have to find out. The focal length of the lens which has the power of 1.5 D, and what is the type of the lens, and what must be the defect of vision. That's all what we have to find out. Now we should have to write the given data. So the given data is, it has given in the question the power of lens is plus 1.5 diopter. We have to find the focal length. We have to find the focal length, that is small f. So the solution for this question will be, we know the formula for focal length. It is 1 upon c. Substituting the values, we get 1 divided by 1.5, which is equals to around 0.67 centimeter. And over here, it will come as positive sign. So as we see, since the focal length over here we got is positive. The focal length is positive. Therefore, the lens prescribed for the correction by the doctor is convex lens. The lens prescribed by the doctor is convex lens. It is a convex lens. And thus the defect of the vision is far-sightedness, because we require convex lens to see the far object. So the defect in the vision is far-sightedness, or you can say a hypermetropia. Defect is far-sightedness. Okay, this far-sightedness, or you can say a hypermetropia. Let's move on to our second question. That is, 5 centimeter high object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeters from a converging lens of focal length of 10 centimeters. Then determine the position, size, and type of the image. So over here, firstly, we should write the given data for this. The given data. We should write what is given. So height of the object, which can be denoted as HO. Denote height of the object as HO, which is given as 5 centimeters. Next, the object distance is around 25 centimeters. Object distance is denoted as U, which is equal to minus 25 centimeters. We know that we write the object distance in minus. So object distance is minus 25 centimeters. Since the lens is converging, as it is given in the question, that the lens is a converging, thus it is a convex lens. As we know that this is a lens is converging, we can conclude that this is a convex lens, obviously. So the focal length given, also the focal length f is given as 10 centimeters. We know that this is a converging, the lens is converging, and thus it is a convex lens. Therefore, the focal length is given as around 10 centimeters. We have to find, we have to find the position of the image, that is V, and size of the image. So denote size of the image as HI, height of the image as HI, and again the type of the image, which type of the image will be formed. Okay, we know that this image or this lens is a converging. Therefore, we are using a convex lens. The focal length is 10 centimeters. We have to find the position, height of the image, and the type of the image. So by the formula in solution, first we are going to use the lens formula. The lens formula, it is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equals to 1 upon F. We have the value for U and also F. Then we can easily find the value for V. So 1 upon V can be written as 1 upon F plus 1 upon U. Substituting the value for F is 10 centimeter plus the value for U is 1 upon minus 25 centimeter, which can also be written as 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 25. So solving this 1 upon 10 minus 1 by 25, we get the value around 3 divided by 50. So the final value for V, this is the inverse of V, can be written as 50 divided by 3. So after dividing this, we get 16.7 centimeter. So thus the image is formed at 16.7 centimeter at right of the lens, because as it is a convex lens, so the image formed is at the right side. So V will be equal to 16.7. It means the position of the image or the image formed, you can write image formed is 16.7 centimeter right of the lens, right side of the lens. All right. So next we have to find out the size of the image. We also know the formula V upon U equals to H upon HO or H naught. So this can also be written as, if we have to find out the value for HI, so HI can be written as V into H naught divided by U. So which is equal to the value for V is also 50 by 3. So we will substitute the value for V as 50 divided by 3 into H naught. The value for H naught is 5 centimeter. Okay, and the value for U is minus 25 centimeter. We get the value as minus 3.3 centimeter. So this is the size of the image. Thus the size of the image is around 3.3 centimeter. Whereas the negative sign, what does the negative sign indicate? It shows that the image is formed is real and inverted, because the sign is negative. So the image formed will be real and inverted image. The image formed is real and inverted and also diminished. So what does our third question say? The three lenses having power 2, 2.5 and 1.7 diopter are kept touching in a row. Then what is the total power of the lens combination? We have to find the total power. Just we only have to add this power value. So which is given as the value given. The given values are P1, that is the power of the first lens is 2 diopter. Power of the second lens is 2.5 diopter. And power of the third lens is 1.7 diopter. We have to find the total power of the lens combination. So solution can be written as P equals to P1 plus P2 plus P3, where we have considered P as our total power. We have considered over here P as our total power. So total power will be addition of all the three power of the lenses. So which is equal to 2 plus 2.5 plus 1.7. So after adding this, we get 6.2 diopter. In our fourth question, it says that an object kept 60 centimeter from a lens gives a virtual image of 20 centimeter in front of the lens. Then what is the focal length of the lens? We have to find the focal length. And also we have to state that whether the lens is converging lens or it is a diverging lens. So the given conditions are It is given as the object distance. Object distance is around minus 60 centimeter. The image distance V is equals to minus 20 centimeter. So according to the length formula, by length formula, we know the formula is 1 upon F equals to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. So let's substitute the value. We get the value for 1 upon V is minus 20 minus 1 upon U is minus 60. The value for U is minus 60. After solving this, we get minus 1 upon 30. All right. So the value for 1 upon F is minus 1 upon 30. Value for 1 upon F is minus 1 upon 30. Therefore, the value for small f will be equal to minus 30 centimeter. After inverting this, the denominator goes to the numerator and numerator comes to denominator. Then it will be f equals to minus 30 centimeter. Also, we have to state that whether the length is converging or diverging. So since the focal length is negative, over here we have got the focal length as negative. So as the focal length is negative, the length is a diverging length. The length is a diverging length. Or you can say it is a concave length. Diverging length or a concave length. Or a concave length.